Alrighty. So I do believe this is, it says 14. When did they start doing high security? Looks like the first few wafers. I'm gonna do my best with this one because I don't know. I don't think I have wafers for this. We'll see. Those wafers are sticking up too high. I got wafers. I just have to look for them. Since I was moving around, changing bands, and all this, everything got dumped into a bucket. And then tuck it. There's some. There's some more. There's another one. Got lefts and rights in here. L5, that's not for these. This is L4. Some more. Quite a few. Oops. Okay, well that's a start anyway. If I need the other ones, I'll hunt them down. What am I flying here? What's this? 2R. So this has to come apart. How does it come apart here? This? Yeah, that's what's holding it. That's probably going to have a spring in it and go flying. Yep. This come off of here. Oh, what's this thing here? Does that come out? Packed. Maybe the key's not going in all the way. It's jam packed full of crap. Look at that. Lots in there. He's not going in all the way. That unit. So it comes out with the key out. Key has to be out. Don't come off. Let's see what we got here. Are these little tabs wearing off? Yeah, those little tabs are wearing down. This is a 1L. Nothing. Oh. Two R. Let's write this down. 1L. 2R. One L. Two R. Hopefully I have those ones. Yay. Thanks. Got all that crud in there. Another 1L. Wonderful. That's just great. Guess which ones I'm not going to have. Yep. Two R. Great. That's just freaking wonderful. 2R. What do we got here? Three L. All right. Woo, 3L. Yay. Two L. 2L. 4L. One R. Great. 3R. That's a good one. Two L. That looks like a 1L. That looks like a 1L. Right on. try it. Looks good. I'm missing one here. What am I missing? I'm missing an R. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2R. Alright. It's either 1L or a 2R, right? Great. Those are all good. Just need a 2R now. No, 3R. Get closer. Got dumped in here. We are. So I can tell what that is. Still can't see it.
Still can't see that.
One L. Two R. Woo! Bingo has been called. I only need a couple of these. 2R. 3 of them, I think. 3 of them. Un, deux, trois. Perfect. Perfect. How does this go in here? Like that. Rides up on there, yep. Squeeze a tiny bit of grease on that. That's what I mean by tiny. Now this, oh no. Not go on this way? Hope so. That, and then which side was this on? This bar. Oh, gonna find out here right away, I think. That fits like that. Yeah, so that's good. Fits just like that then. Just like so. Turns, it works. Key code on there? Maybe. Yep. Four, 6, 8, 3. Victor. It's like a 7 on the end. That's just worn off stuff. Bonus. Okay, so that's that. I guess that's a key buzzer. that's it. So, what do I need? This is the invoice book, I would imagine. This guy probably. I do, fair amount of work for this guy. First one this year, though. It's all been pretty simple. They pulled that out for me too. So I'll just probably charge them about $50 for it. Yeah, good enough. And that's it.